Once you've determined all of the measurements that you need to determine spoke length, then you need to find an online calculator which will crunch the numbers and spit out the spoke lengths that you actually need. When we're talking about online calculators, there are two systems, we can call it. In one system, you type in the number of holes, the crossing pattern, the hub manufacturer and model, and then the rim manufacturer and model, and you press a button and you get the recommended spoke lengths. That system is okay and it works fine if you know the rim and hub models and they are in the calculator's database. With a different system, you type in the number of holes, the crossing pattern, and then measured hub dimensions and a measured ERD. And then once again you press a button and you get the recommended spoke lengths. This is really the system you have to use if you, one, don't know the rim and hub models, or they're not in the calculator's database, or if you question their accuracy. One of the books I've come across is Wheel Building by Roger Mewson. This is a well-written book. It's not printed in hard copy. You pay for online access and then you read it online, or you can print it out if you want. It's an inexpensive book, but quite well written. And if you subscribe to Roger's site, then you can have access to his online calculator. These are the dimensions that Roger asks you to type in to the website. And those are the same types of measurements that we talked about in the chapters on ERD and hub dimensions. There's one dimension here that is occasionally called for, and that's called the offset. That dimension will only come up if you're using an off-center rim, as shown there on the right, and that's covered in a later chapter. Here's one from wheelbuilder.com. If you search the internet, you'll probably find quite a few of these sites.